What is up, YouTube people? Kuda Malloy here, coming at you with another exciting video. And in this one, I am reviewing the Winco PDS-7P Allergen Free Dough Scraper. Okay, so why did this make the best bang for the buck list? First of all, it's made out of allergen-free plastic, which means that it has to hold up to a higher food-grade plastic safety standard. Another reason why this made it to the NSF list. I believe that stands for National Sanitation Foundation. Anyways, it's a rigorous process to basically make sure that it's safer for humans than, let's say, the cheap other plastic alternatives. So that's the reason why I went with allergen free. Winco is a great company. They make a lot of restaurant supply type, products. Anyways, let me tell you about it. The width is a little over 4 inches. I believe it's 4 3/4 inches. And then the length is a little over 7 inches. I believe 7.5 inches. So what makes this a great dough scraper? If your dough's already out on your countertop and you're scraping around it, it definitely works. It's very thin, but rigid. It's got some flex to it, but just enough flex to get into the nooks and crannies of your bowl. But at the same time, like enough to really, be rough with this thing to scrape your dough off of your cutting board or countertop or, wooden breadboard or whatever you're going to use to make your bread with. Something I will tell you is these two bowls right here, you have an idea. This is about 7 inches wide or so. And you're thinking, like, how's this thing going to work? Amazingly, depending on the angle that you're at, you can see that it'll conform to whatever bowl you put it in. You could use it that way. You could use it this way, just to kind of show you. You get the idea. You could use the corners if you had to, whatever you need to do with it. Another thing that you can use this thing for is to shape a cake. So let's say you made a cake and you had a whole bunch of icing on it. Now you want that perfect, straight-edged line going all the way across. Well, guess what? This thing works perfect for that, because now you can shape your cake all the way around and get that perfectly, cylindrical shape. And also on the top too. I can come across the top, get a nice, smooth and seamless cake from this. So that's why this made it to the best bang for the buck list. Winco PDS-7P allergen-free dough scraper. There you go. Link is below to this product, and at the same time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Kuda Malloy here. I'll catch you in the next video, and stay tuned for more best bang for the buck product reviews.